Cuzzy, since our grandparents are the ones that influenced us in gardening, guess what? If you have an older relative or grandparent that wants to garden, doesn't have space, doesn't have a yard, no problem. Guess what? We are the kings of micro gardening.
The Goombas are coming to you, baby!
Set you right up.
Doc, you sure you got these where this lady wanted them?
Hey, wait a minute. What are you doing? I have a schematic of where I want everything. Cukes, zooks, eggplant.
Listen to me.
Tomato.
We're planting for free. And there it is. Everything is done. We have tomatoes, cukes, zooks, some eggplant, and herbs. The vertical container garden in a very small space. So again, no yard, no problem.
And this is my favorite Goomba.
Man, this lady's tough. Where's my mother? She's Calabrese.